Hey guys, welcome aboard Cadence. We're cleaning up the cockpit today.
Yep, cleanup day.
And doing some repairs underwater. A few days back we had what we're calling a near catastrophic accident. Came out okay. We got an episode, you can view that. But we got some fiberglass repairs, some minor damage. And we want to close it up, seal it up. So we're gonna try out this JB water weld. Supposedly it works underwater. I'm about to dive into the boat, double check the repairs to make sure it's something that we can do. And then we're gonna go down and apply this and we'll share the results with you. Thanks for joining us for this real quick video. I'll see you underwater. Needing the water weld, JB weld. You're going to get to a nice consistency here. And then I'm going to go underneath and apply it. But because my hands are all nasty, I'm not going to carry the camera. I'll have to go down and show you the job afterwards. But you can see it's clay. I'm just going to rub it onto the surface to seal off the fiberglass. That'll get me to safe harbor in a few weeks, and I can do the project on the hard. Anyway, check back up with you in a second. That was a complete waste of time. Complete waste of time. It just fell right off, like literally. There's no adhesive quality to it, so I'm pressing it in. It's raw fiberglass I'm pressing into, kind of a little flaky, right? You would think it would adhere well, stick, it's Play-Doh, right? And as soon as I let my hand off, a little bit of water moves by, it just flies right off. So came back up, we needed another round of it. They put off some fumes, you could smell it was doing a chemical reaction, probably like it's supposed to. And went back down below, pressed it on, kind of rubbed it around. Any of the previous epoxy that was there, that fell off as soon as I touched it. And then I let go, backed away to come up for air, and it just fell right off. So I don't know, maybe that was a bad batch of underwater water weld, but it did not work underwater. Okay, so I'll take you down there and show you what it looks like. Thanks for watching this quick video. It's not our normal episode. If you like the video, you should check out some other episodes. We appreciate it. Let's go check it out, and I'll show you that there is no epoxy at all. It was a failure. So today we are trying this underwater epoxy. It's called Fix Epoxy. I have a little bit of fiberglass damage down by my shaft strut. So I'm gonna go below and see if we can fix it with this. Yesterday's epoxy would not adhere to the fiberglass underwater. All right, so here we have part A and part B. The instructions are simple. Mix equal parts. Knead vigorously and thoroughly for a proper cure. So here we are, part A and part B. All right, welcome back. Day number 2. We're going to dive down and see how that epoxy set up. We've moored it across the harbor here. We set up anchor here. So it endured some vibrations this morning, but it had a solid 14 to 18 hours to cure. We're going to see if it's still there and whether or not it's in good shape. Okay, so yeah, the Fix Epoxy, allfixepoxy.com. This is not a sponsored video. They don't even know I'm making the video, but it is an honest review. You saw it yourself, that stuff is solid. It adhered to the fiberglass. It's gone through 30 minutes of motoring, 2,500 RPMs. It's cured less than 24 hours and it's solid. You saw me hitting it. Very pleased with the product. I borrowed this from a voter. Thank you, Tommy, on Little Martha. I'm gonna go out and buy me some of this, 2 rounds of this to keep on hand. I can imagine this becoming very handy offshore, out in remote islands where you need to make some repairs underwater. I highly recommend it. It's good stuff. Thanks for watching this episode. Again, not a normal episode for the Foster Journey, but I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're new to our channel, you want to see a little more family adventure and sailing, feel free to subscribe, smash that bell so you don't miss any videos. See you next time, or out here on the water.